My 2024 KTM 300 EXC starter switch has been recalled for the second time. The delivery of my 2024 KTM 300 EXC was delayed due to a recall on the starter switch. The switch you can see here was fitted by my dealer before I picked up the bike. I quite like this switch. It's very positive feel. You can leave it switched off if you want running down hills. And I haven't actually had any problems, but I have been reading about some people who have reported issues, including a case or cases where the bike will start itself. Obviously not good if that happens, if it's in your garage or parked in your van. So sure enough, my dealer contacted me this week and reported that there's a recall on the starter switch and needs to be replaced with a different design. So this is the last you'll see of this switch, and I'll show the new replacement switch next. And this is the recall replacement switch, which is the same switch used on a 2024 SX model. You can see the part number on the screen now. Pros and cons of the new switch. It appears to be fully waterproof, so that the rubber housing and the button I think are sealed, so no water should get in. Also it's quite narrow, lots of space on the handlebar to position your brake lever and throttle tube. Also the wiring comes out the back, doesn't interfere with anything, which again leaves you lots of space to move your throttle tube and also adjust your brake. On the negative side, the buttons seem quite stiff, especially compared to the old style, but I have to use it and see how that feels when I'm using it. If I don't like it, my plan is to switch to the old style single buttons. So you could have the starter on one side and the kill switch on the other side. But I use this and see how it goes. If you haven't heard from your dealer about the recall, I recommend contacting them and discuss that with them.